How to find Gmail of YouTube channel. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. Now this can be done only on your PC, I believe. I just tried it on the mobile phones app and I couldn't really find it, but it also just doesn't, work 100% of the time because some channels just don't have their Gmail connected. But if they do, then it's very easy. So I'll just search for Casey Neistat, and if I, for example, click on his channel, then go to About, you can actually see that he does not have an email address connected. So we cannot find his email address via his YouTube channel. But if I were to go back, let's try this channel over here. I'll just go to the About section again, and then here you can actually see details, business, for business inquiries. So here you can actually click on View Email Address. If you click on there, you first have to submit that you are not a robot, or else like bots could collect like hundreds or thousands of or millions of email addresses from YouTube in a millisecond. So then you can actually see that this email address has now popped up. So that's how to find Gmail of YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I'll see you next time.